Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to report phishing email on Outlook. So first you need to go to your Outlook. Okay, now select email which you wanna report. Then go for three dot option. Now you can see in this list a report option here. Now go for report phishing. And when you click on OK, now it will be done. So guys, this is how you can report phishing email in Outlook. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.